chew.
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 Making shapes up down here, they're everywhere. I don't understand.
Hey, I figured myself out.
I am 31, and I love calendars.
I don't care if I don't understand. All I care about is that I know who you are.
Well, I figured myself out.
I'm 32. I am a doubler, by the way. 22? Do you want to stop?
Never. Okay, let's figure me out. I am a 3 by 11 rectangle, so I am
3 11s.
I figured myself out. I'm 33, and I am 3 football teams. Are you alright, 22?
3 football teams. So big.
Phew, so tiring. Do you want to start?
Okay then.
Don't take half. SPT please.